Hey friends, so I realized I did not give you an important piece of information about taking photographs if you want to sell on Poshmark, and that is Poshmark's photo aspect ratio is different than eBay's. eBay, you can use a regular, just normal aspect ratio, but Poshmark, you have to change it. So from here, what you're going to want to do, just for example purposes, is, if you take a picture, this is what it'll look like. Okay, and then you're going to want to click on this 4.3 over here, or 4:3, and switch it to square. All right, and then you can take a picture like that. And then you're going to switch over to Poshmark. And if you remember, you need to click on the sell button, which is located right here. And then this is going to pop up. Now, if you click on the photo that you first took before you change the aspect ratio, you'll see it doesn't fit. It's either one or the other. Fortunately, this is short enough that, it can work, but you don't want that. So if you click on the one where you change the aspect ratio to be square, look, it's perfect. There you go. Hit next. You're good to go.